Welcome Arithmetic Ninjas to question 22, and this one is dividing 645 by 43. Now it doesn't look like this one's going to work out very easily, so we're going to use a chunking method. So we're going to write my chunks of 43 at the side. So I'm going to have 1 lot, 10 lots, 100 lots, 2 lots, 20 lots, 200 lots, and 5 lots. These are the chunks that will usually enable you to answer any question. There are other chunks. You could double a chunk of 20 to make a chunk of 40. You could times a chunk of 5 by 10 to make a chunk of 50. You can make other chunks. Anyway, let's see where this takes us. So, 1 lot of 43 is 43. 10 43s is 430. 100 43s is 4,300. 2 43s, double 43 is 86. So 20 43s is 86 with a 0 on the end, so 860. 243s is 86 with 2 zeros on the end, 8,600. 5 43s is half of 10 43s. So half of 430 is 215. And 50 43s would be 5 43s, which is 215, but with a 0 on the end. So that's 2,150. Now let's see where this takes us. So what is the biggest number we can subtract from 645? It's looking like this 430. So let's take away 430 first, and that's a chunk of 10. Let's just write our chunks at the side. So take away 430, see what that gets us. 5 take 0 is 5, 4 take 3 is 1, and 6 take 4 is 2. So we're down to 215. Unfortunately, that's an exact chunk here, 215, and that's a chunk of 5 43s. So if we take away 215 from 215, we're going to get down to 0. 5 take 5 is nothing, 1 take 1 is nothing, 2 take 2 is nothing. Once we got down to 0, we just simply add up our chunks. 10 plus 5, 10 lots of 43 plus 5 lots of 43 is 15 lots of 43. So our final answer is 15.